Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to take a look at Crypto.com Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin, and see where we could be headed here. Because, guys, we are doing some great moves to the upside when it comes to crypto. Let's take a look. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at $43,939.57, up about 1.8% on the day. Really, what I would like to see continue happening right now is basically a chop in a channel between the 45,000 to 44,000. I mean, honestly, maybe 45 to 42 is a more acceptable price range. I want minimal price range though right now, because if Bitcoin stays in a tight range and chops around after it came up and tested that 45K price level and is back down to about the 44K level, you're going to see these altcoins really move. I mean, guys, Solana, $72 right now, up 12% on the day. It seems like it's going up 10% every day at this point. Whenever Bitcoin decides to take a little bit of a step out of the spotlight, we're seeing these altcoins fly. And I think this is probably going to continue to happen. Over on Twitter, you can go follow me at 333 Blacksea. I said, I'll take a little pullback tomorrow, followed by a weekend of unforgiving and unrelenting altcoins mooning. I think that we're kind of still on schedule for that. I think that was yesterday, Thursday. We had a little bit of a sell-off on Bitcoin, and you know what happens when that happens? The altcoins start to fly. After Bitcoin makes a large move to the upside, comes down a little bit, the altcoins move. And I think that we're going to continue to see that play out over this weekend as long as Bitcoin doesn't try to do anything funky, if you will. But Bitcoin dominance, 52.70%. When you exclude stablecoins, about 54.7%. You're starting to see this liquidity move back into the alts right now, just doing the cyclical nature. But right now, I do want to emphasize that what we did see happen yesterday, which is an important thing to note, is we saw the liquidity move out of Bitcoin and into Ethereum first. And when Ethereum starts moving to the upside, the altcoins were coming with it. Usually when you see the liquidity move from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and the alts start moving up with it, it's a very bullish sign for the macro of the crypto space in the 4-year cycle. That's basically signifying that we're probably going to see some of these altcoins do some very significant moves, guys. Very significant moves. So let's take a look over at Bitcoin, because right now, doesn't look like much, but this is what all the rage is about here. Us trading here at this level, right here, right below 45K. We came up with this massive move. We came up, we tested it. Now let's just trade just like that for a little bit. If we can get something like that, guys, these altcoins it's going to be an altcoin season. It's going to be an altcoin frenzy. Be patient. Be patient. Always take some profits, but I will say that right now I don't necessarily think it's time to completely step out of the market. Yes, we could have a little bit of a pullback at some point here, but that being said, I don't think it's a very good time to completely exit the markets. This is not financial advice. I just put my money where my mouth is. I have been taking some profit, though. I want to make sure that is abundantly clear to you guys. I have been taking some profit, especially on my bonk positions, my more like my meme coin positions. I have been exiting that just partially, like I'm talking 25, 30% of my initial allocation. And all of those initial allocations is the wrong word. What I should say is I've taken my initial investment completely out of all those meme coins, and I've taken about 30% profit on top of that. And so what I have left is basically, it's house money. It's we'll see. Some people call them moon bags. We'll see where it can take us. And I think that right now we're very early, guys. This move is just really significant to a lot of people because we're so close to the previous all-time high. Being about 20K, 30K away-ish, at the 70,000, we're trading at 45K. Yeah, we're about 25K away. And people think, oh man, we're getting close to the all-time high. Maybe I should take some profits. And like I said, guys, I don't want to ever tell anybody not to take profits. I don't ever want to say that. But I do want to tell you guys that you should probably think about being a little bit more patient, because I remember back here back here making this massive run up from $3,000 all the way up to 12K and reaching this 12K point right here and saying, you know, maybe I should exit the market because we're very close to the previous all-time high of 2017 at 18K. And we got up to about 14K. And I was thinking to myself, man, maybe I should exit these markets. I don't want to ride out another bear market. I don't want to wait for another 2 years before I can profit. But I was wrong. And I did not sell out of the markets here. I did not. And I held it. And what happened? Yeah, there was definitely some big drawdowns. 50%, 60% drawdown right here. But this was also a black swan event. But if I would have sold out of the markets completely here, I probably wouldn't have bought down here. I probably would have just been exited. But this was years ago. I'm a much more seasoned trader. I've been in this market since 2015, 2016 in crypto space. So what I'm trying to get at here is that psychologically, a lot of people are going to think that we're close to the previous all-time high, so that means that that's that. Once we get close to that, might not even reach that, then we're going to come down and have another bear market. But guys, I really want you to understand that the majority of people on the outside of the crypto echo chambers, they're not even whispering about cryptocurrency right now. Nobody is reaching out to me, talking to me about crypto right now. And Bitcoin is at 45K. Maybe that will change a little bit when we see some of these altcoins catch up and a lot of these people that got wrecked on their altcoins make some money back on their previous positions. But the hype isn't here yet. It's not here yet. We don't have the retail FOMO, the people from the outside freaking out, trying to get in. We don't have that yet. And that's why I'm just urging you to be a little bit more patient. Be a little bit more patient. Not saying that you shouldn't take some profits. I personally took some profits. And everyone's strategy is different. But that being said, I am prepared for a move to the downside minimally. I'm not talking about lows. I'm talking about making a higher low, maybe even to 35, 32,000. I know that sounds steep, but it's possible. I'm prepared for that. But I am also prepared here for a breakout by January, maybe even a little bit after January, mid-January, of 55K. But previously I thought that was very aggressive. But as the market is heating up and it's getting a little bit frothy, the market sentiment is changing, it's shifting to a little bit more of a positive outlook inside this echo chamber, that is. I could see a possibility of that. I could see a possibility of more upside. I really could. So be patient, guys. Be patient. I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts on where I think we're at here, because there's a lot of people thinking that, oh, this got to sell off now. It's got to sell off now. People are making money. Guys, I mean, should have sold off here, right? Or should have sold off here, right? Or here, or here. You know, it's you gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. The market, overall market hype, there's not pure euphoria and FOMO in the market yet. I see a little bit, especially with these Solana airdrops, but the pure euphoria where you can see it and you can smell it in the market, it's not here yet. It's not here yet. Be patient. What's going on with Crocoin? Crocoin right now, still testing and testing and testing and testing a breakout here at this 10-cent price level. It just can't get above it. Can't get above it. Be patient. What's happening right now with Bitcoin? Coming down a little bit, trading sideways. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we see a breakout here come this weekend. Would not be surprised at all. Some of these altcoins catch up. Crocoin is an altcoin that needs to catch up. And that's what I've been saying for the past couple weeks. I've been saying, you know, once Bitcoin makes this move, start looking for the altcoins that haven't caught up to Bitcoin, because that's where the opportunities are, especially if they're good coins, good projects, good companies. I call that Crocoin. I think Crocoin needs to catch up. Be patient, guys. But if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. I just wanted to give you guys my opinion on where I think we're at here while we're making these big moves to the upside, making new all-time highs on the year. It's exciting times. Exciting times. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. Also, feel free to check out some referral links down below. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet. Lots of free money to take advantage of right now as we're heating up in this bull market. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching.